What's up, fellas? This is me, TexchTonic Avi, back with another video. So this time I'm gonna be unboxing this Inno3D Ichill RTX 3090 graphics card. And as far as you guys know, the 3090 has been recently launched into the market, and this is Inno3D's flagship tier graphics card. Because uh, the only thing that actually comes after this X4 Ichill model is the water force models ones, or the ones with the water block on it. So as we know, that's not going to be available on India. As far as I know, it's never going to be available in India, because in India there are way too lot less people that actually go for water cooling their graphics cards, and they have the freaking pump for it. So, and a lot of you guys has been asking that why I'm not regular uploading the videos and stuff. That's because I'm not sponsored by any company by any means or any way in any ways. So what I have to deal with is like I have to buy my own graphics card, or I have to buy the ones that I'm actually unboxing right now. So this is a graphics card that I actually bought by my own freaking money. No one actually sponsored me, not even Inno3D. Of course, a sponsor will be a lot welcome. um so yeah, so as far as unboxing goes, if I don't have it, I don't need one thing, so why would I, how can I unbox the one thing? So without any further ado, let's give you an overview of the box itself. So at the front you see this Inno3D RTX 3090 24 GB 384, and the graphics of the card itself, there it is. It's a four piece, I mean four fan card. These are the three at the top, and one's right around here. That's for cooling the MOSFET. Or as far as that goes, I don't actually understand why even would they actually include a freaking MOSFET cooling fan. The key features right here, just a basic. Oh my god, this is heavy, bro. This is so heavy. So these are the key features of the RTX 3090. It's probably the same for every freaking card out there. At this side, all you're gonna see is just the branding, Inno3D Ichill, GeForce RTX 3090. That's it. At the back of the box, we're gonna find a lot of details around here, a lot of languages. So system specifications: PCIe Express graphics slot required. Okay, but this is a 3 slot graphics card, by the way. It needs a space for 3 slot graphics card, otherwise you're not gonna be able to put it in freaking computer or the cabinet. So be sure to buy the power supply unit and the cabinet by looking at the freaking specs here, right here, because I don't want to be the one to tell you just get a super compact case and fit this bad boy down there. It's not gonna fit. Let's understand that first. The MRP on this graphics card is 1,88,730 rupees. I hope you guys can see it. It's really hard to lift it by one hand. Here you go, 1,88,730. I got it for around 145 500. Of course, from local market. Online is gonna cost a lot because there is a literally zero availability of 3090s out there. I'm gonna be unboxing this one, as well as providing the benchmarks of this one. After the test bench that I'm gonna use will be Ryzen 9 3950X, 64 GB RAM, and this graphics card, and the X570 Aorus Ultra motherboard, along with two 4K, basically two 4K monitors. That's it. That's gonna be my test system. I'm gonna unbox this, install this graphics card, and upload the synthetic benchmark in another video segment that I'll upload later on. So I believe this is one of the first 3090s in India, privately owned. Of course, I'm an Indian. So okay, by the way, guys, you should look at this one first. This needs a 750 watt system power supply, because 3090, as we know, sucks a lot of power, a lot, and that delivers. Of course, that delivers. It's got like 24 GB of VRAM in it, considering the last gen 2080 Ti or 20 series graphics card, and preferably the 2080 Ti had only 11 GBs. And the RTX Titan had 24 GB. I don't think any Titan or RTX Titan branded graphics card will be coming this year, because Nvidia did a big brain job and probably just renamed their Titan series a new numeric name, that's 3090. incorporated with the same amount of VRAM and higher clock speeds. So that's gonna be if you consider this for gaming, I'm not gonna be using this for gaming purposes whatsoever. I'm gonna be using this for TensorFlow and machine learning. So if you are into gaming, you should probably just get a 38T instead, because these are not meant for gaming whatsoever. Alright, don't mind that. I have to control the camera in one hand and like got the freaking thing in another hand. And this is freaking heavy, guys. This is freaking heavy. At like basically this is around 3 kgs at most, and that's a lot to be lifted in one hand. The seal is still intact, as you see. The seal has not been cutting. I'm gonna cut it first, and rather than cut it, I'm just gonna peel it. It's gonna be a lot better than cutting it. Alright, here we go. Here's the card itself. Let's get that bad boy out. I'm probably going to have to flip it like this. Come out, bruv. Come out. Right, I'm gonna be back after taking this card out. Wait for a sec. Alright, as you can see, I've already unboxed the card now. So, getting back into it, here's the first overview of the card. Alright, the things. Okay, I have been expecting a lot minimal things, and from this card, but I genuinely just expected a freaking 2 or 3 bits of papers like installation manuals and some kind of guidelines and stuff, and a thank you note and something, and the graphics card itself, because graphics card unboxings aren't that, what should I say, aren't that innovative, you know. This is not a freaking 1+1 or 1+6 unboxing. It just have the graphics card and some papers, that's it, nothing else. So what we get here are, this is the installation guide for the tail fin, RGB cable and card stand. Okay, they included a RGB cable and a card stand. So you can pause the video right now and read that. I'm gonna be of course reading that while I'm installing the card itself. Okay, it's out of focus again. Here we go, fellas. Instruction of the tail fin. Oh my god, come on, focus, bro. Here we go. Installation of the RGB cable. I'm gonna keep these aside, so I'm not gonna be needing that. And for those who are wondering what kind of PSUs I have, or the power supply unit, I have an Antec Signature Platinum 1300 watt 80 plus platinum power supply. 1300 watts gonna be more than enough to drive 2 of these beasts, I believe. So this is the power supply guideline. 3090 will as you can see, 3090 will require 750 watt of power supply. And these are the other models of INNO3D probably. Have attention knows power virus applications may cause some normal voltage and drop due to load line. Alright, that's actually been provided in every card possible, but yeah, here we are. This is probably a warranty notice. Yeah, this is probably a warranty notice and stuff. Okay, come on, bro, focus. Yeah, here we go. This is a warranty notice with some graphics in it, and as we all know that you just need to download the right drivers for your graphics card from NVIDIA, because these guys custom graphics card or AIB manufacturers just only provide their own versions of software to control the RGB, and some may even provide the overclocking apps made by their own developers. Okay, so lifting up this foam out here, this is probably protection. That's it. That's the graphics card. What else we find in here? Okay, here we go. You can see that right. Yeah, here we go. As I said, this is going to have four fans in it. The first three are here, right here, and another one is going to be over the MOSFETs. These are the RGB headers we talked about. These are the RGB headers. I'm probably not going to use it because I'm going to use their official driver download software, that's TuneIn, and I'm going to use that. So I'm not going to be needing that any soon enough. What else they actually give us is this screw and arc like thing to probably tighten their graphics card and untighten it, probably, I don't know. This is for the support bracket, probably, I don't know. That's all in there. There's the graphics card itself. Oh boy, oh boy, that's heavy. Sorry, my camera is acting weird. Okay, here we are. Let's lift this bad boy off. Please come off. Alright, this is probably I'm gonna have to pause the video again because this is not coming up whatsoever. Here we are, back with the graphics card again. I have finally managed to get it out of the box. So damn boy, that's a big ass graphics card. Oh my god, that's so damn thick, bro. That's so damn thick. It's almost the size of my hand comparisonly. Okay, let's get this bad boy out of his static anti-static plastic. Should probably ground myself because ESD is not good for your card whatsoever. I'm gonna just touch this conductor here and probably grounded myself. Here we are. That's the card. Oh my god, that's a big boy. That's a big boy. So there's the card. As you can see, it's gonna have RGB down in here. I don't know how that lights up, but it does. There's the overview of the card. This is the side view, and okay, so that's a support bracket, right? This is the back plate. This is all metal. The front chassis is kind of for metal and the plastic, because these things are probably metal, but these things are plastic. There's your 390mm fans. I'm expecting a ton of performances out from this from when I'm developing or TensorFlowing and doing my TensorFlow operations. This is going to be mainly for machine learning and TensorFlow operations. I'm not going to be gaming on them, but if you guys insist, I'm going to be uploading the synthetic benchmarks of these graphic cards and probably some gaming benchmarks as well. As we all know that 24GB is an overkill for gaming, so here we are. 24GB is literally overkill for gaming, because even in 3080 and 3090, if you compare them online, so that's gonna be around 1 or 2% of performance increase over 3080. So I'd recommend, if you're getting a graphics card for gaming and you want the utter ultimate performance out of it, so I'd recommend you getting a 3080. And if you have the same performance, or you don't need you don't need the gaming performance out there, you should probably get 3090 if you're memory oriented, because tensor operations need a lot of memory, and this has 24GBs of them. And this is considering it has 24GBs of memory, this is a lot lesser in price than other quadros out there, because quadros are the best for TensorFlow and developing, as we all know, but this is a lot cheaper than them. So okay, that will be all, fellas. This is the graphics card itself. I'm gonna be adding some benchmarks and the overall view of this card at the end of the video. Please do stay tuned, and please leave a like and subscribe. That would really help me, and a sponsor would do me great too, because I am basically a freelancer right now. I would recommend getting a sponsor, or a sponsor will be really welcomed, because buying things and unboxing online aren't going to be that fast enough, and I'm not going to be that um, into it to get new products and unbox it for you guys. I'm I'm gonna be trying to get new products and unbox it for you guys, of course. And that will be all, fellas. Thank you for watching, and leave a like and subscribe. Also comment if you didn't like the video, and please do send me feedbacks because I am gonna be really needing them. Thanks. Bye bye. TexchTonic Avi signing out.